This can be incredibly impactful if you're leveraging the RazoRSharp CRM or GoHighLevel in order to optimize your business page and directories. Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to tell you how to, or show you how to provide admin access to your Google My Business profile. This can be helpful if you're trying to connect third-party applications, or if you're leveraging the RazoRSharp CRM or GoHighLevel in order to connect business page and directory optimization software. For those of you who don't know, my name is Jesse. I'm the lead designer at RazoRSharp, and for the past decade, we've been helping our clients optimize their online environment and automate their customer lifecycle. We leverage customer lifecycle automation AI to help our clients move contacts through the customer journey more rapidly and with better results than ever before. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please book an appointment. I'd love to talk with you about your favorite subject, which is your business and how to drive growth and or compress the time frame associated with growing your organization. Let me jump right into this training real quick for you. If you want to grant user permission to your Google My Business page, go ahead and go to Google, search for your company name, select the Action tab, goes to Business Settings, select People and Access, select Add. And if you're inviting a member of my team, what you're going to do is type in teamrazo@gmail.com and select Owner, and then select Invite. That'll send out an invitation and give us the ability to admin your account. This can be incredibly impactful if you're leveraging the RazoRSharp CRM or GoHighLevel in order to optimize your business page and directories and make sure that you are congruent across your name, address, phone number, and it's optimized for local search in your market. Again, if you would like to get more information on that, please schedule an appointment. We'd be very happy to help you out with that. We also got some free trials that we'll include in the description of this video for access to the RazoRSharp CRM, so you could start seeing success before you have to even pay for the software. So that's all I got for you today. As always, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon. Hey there, if you like that how-to video and you'd like to get access to our entire knowledge base, visit support.razorSharpNetworks.com, where you can learn about how to leverage automation and AI to help you move contacts through your customer journey more rapidly and with better results than ever before.